Hi, thanks for watching this really important video. I've been buying and selling homes now for 40 years, so I've got a few tips that I think will help you save money. Listen, we're all been in a position at some point in our life where we've needed to sell a home fast. And I want to say this, there's always a quick fix. The issue is quick fix the right thing for you now? It's like a toothache. I've shared this story many times. You have a toothache, and sometimes you go to a dentist who isn't a really good dentist, and he'll just say, I need to pull your tooth. But sometimes you can do something that has longer term benefits. When you pull the tooth, it's gone forever. When you sell a home below market and you give away equity, it's gone forever. You're not going to get it back. Sometimes that quick fix is what you need. If you need a quick fix today watching this video, then just comment down below, turn on those bell notifications, and we'll get back to you and we'll give you access to ways that you can quickly sell your property. But is it the best thing for you? I want to ask you respectfully, I'm going to come out with about 10 videos in this series about how to preserve your equity but still sell your home fast. If you want to be updated regularly with those, I encourage you to subscribe and also to click on those bell notifications, because if you're not familiar with YouTube, those bell notifications will notify you each time I do a new video. All right, let's get to the meat and potatoes of this. So, quick fix. Is it what you need right now? Do you have a little bit of time? It's what you need right now. Make sure you comment down below and reach out to us. There are 5 selling secrets that I've learned through the years. When you need to sell a home fast, what you need to do, and I call it films. It's to do with the features of the home. It's to do with the location of the home. It's to do with the upgrades of the home or the improvements. It's to do with the market condition. And it's to do with the condition or the state of the home. These 5 aspects, these 5 secrets I'm going to deal with over the coming days and weeks, so make sure you don't miss those videos. Let's talk first of all about features. You have to ask yourself the question, what are the features that your home has that really enhance its value and make it different? To know that, you have to know what are the average features in the area. Okay, so what are the features and what are the average features? Let me give you an example. Some of the features could be whether it has an ocean view or not. So you might have a home that sells 3 blocks back off the ocean and a nicer home sell on the ocean. The value is completely disproportionate, so you don't know how to sell the home fast unless you price in the feature properly. What about room size? You might be in a family area, for example, or you might be in a party area where big rooms are really important, but you have small rooms, or vice versa. RV parking. Maybe you live close to a lake or where people do a lot of outdoor sports. A lot of people have RVs. Maybe it's a retirement area where there's a lot of RVs, but you have no RV parking, or you do. You could live in an inner city in one of these condo or mixed use developments, and you have security downstairs. Other buildings don't have security. So what are the features that you have, and are they average for the area? And then you can price your home, because here's the bottom line. You want to sell a home fast, price will always do it. What we're talking about here is how much money do you want to give away? Do you want to give away money? Are you that desperate you want to give it away? Or do you want to make as much money as you can but still sell your home fast? So now is decision time. Out of these 5 secrets, films, we're talking about features, and here's decision time. Do you increase the F value of your home? Do you increase the feature value of your home? So if the RV parking is just dirt, do you put cement in? Do you put in a gate? If you have a pool and it needs to be resurfaced, do you resurface it or not? That's your decision. Do you increase the F value of your home? Now, if you need to sell a home fast, the answer to that is probably, I know I need to do that, but I don't want to do it because I want to sell the home fast, or I don't have the money to do that. So now comes the issue, do you price the F value of your home as is? So that's the bottom line of the first step of how you can maximize money. Don't necessarily pull the tooth. If you need to pull the tooth, we have emergency ways that you can quickly move that property. Make sure you subscribe and make sure that you comment down below. But if you really want to know, how can I sell my home fast, but at the same time using films, how can I lose the least equity possible? And make sure you watch each of these videos. Please, would you subscribe? And please, would you turn on the bell notifications? Because then you'll be notified each of the videos in this series, how you can do the best you can but at the same time, sell your home fast. We really appreciate you watching our videos and work your way through our channel and learn all that you can that I've learned about real estate over the last 40 years. Thanks so much.